Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the Consew 104-1T. It's a manual embroidery and quilting chain stitch sewing machine. You're going to be able to do vintage embroidery on your quilts, so you're going to be able to give it a unique look. You're going to be able to manually put couching embroidery, stitches on your quilt with all different size threads all the way up to yarn. You're going to be able to give it a unique look. This machine is going to be adjustable in many ways, and it's going to be serviceable by you in many ways too. It's going to be easy to get to the parts you need to change the things you need. The plate's going to come with several different size holes on it, which I'll show you that a little bit up closer here in a minute when we start sewing. Also, you're going to be able to adjust the pressure on your foot. Your foot's going to be easily steered, and it's automatically going to feed for you. You got a steering wheel here to steer that with. It's going to come with the K-leg table, which is going to be very stable and easy to assemble. We've got people here that will work you through all those things. The needle bar on this machine is going to be easy to remove. You're going to be able to take it out just by loosening this screw here. Your needle bar is going to come out, and you're going to be able to change the different size needles in this machine there. And you're just going to be able to easily put that back in here. Tighten the screw back up. You're going to be ready to change different size threads, yarns, things like that, depending on the needle size. It's going to be easy to thread, has an easily adjusted tension. Okay, on the Consew 104-1T, this machine is going to be a embroidery machine that's going to do manual embroidery. You're going to be able to do free motion embroidery, or you're going to be able to draw out a design that you would like to do, and you're going to do it. You're going to be able to follow that chalk line or follow that design that you want to do. What's going to set this apart from your commercial and domestic embroidery machines is this is going to give you a chain stitch. It's going to give you a textured stitch that you're not going to achieve with anything else on the market. This is going to be, like a vintage style look, and you're going to be able to just make your things unique from anything else you've seen. This is commercial, so this is going to hold up. This is going to last you for a lifetime. It's going to be very easy to service. You're going to be able to service it yourself, even without a screwdriver. You're going to be able to take this screw loose here, and the same here. You're going to be able to see all your working parts. You're going to be able to turn it, see what moves, and you're just going to be able to oil it, put a couple drops of oil on each moving part. You're ready to put it back together. That's the end of the maintenance of this machine. So you're not going to have to worry about getting someone out to your house or taking it in and being without it. You're going to be able to service it yourself. And one thing about us here at Ken's Sewing Center too is you can always call us. We'll walk you through. We can go out on our floor, come to our machine, look at it while you're looking at yours, so we can see what you see. We can ask you a few questions, or we can walk you through any service-related items you may have. Also, on operating the machine, if you run into a problem where you need help threading it, you need help adjusting your tension or anything like that, we're always here to help. That's part of buying from us. As far as operating the machine, it's going to be very easy to operate. Up under here, you have a steering wheel, and we can steer the way the material moves by moving this and your foot pedal. So when we start sewing with this machine, it'll go one direction until we steer it, and then we can make it go another direction. So it's going to be easy to do circles, and that's going to be great for if you want to do pebbles like you're doing quilting pebbles. This is going to be like really unique. It's just going to be just as easy as, so we could change directions easily just by turning our steering wheel when we're stopped. And that's going to give us sharp points. We can go slow if we want to. If we're following a line, we can do that easily. And this is just on some plain old denim. I've got a quilt sandwich. I'm going to try it on here. So it's going to be great for stippling. It's just going to give us a regular stitch on the back, so our back of our quilt's going to be nice and clean. Plus we're going to have a little texture look here on the top, and it just gives it a great unique look. On our needle plate we're going to have multiple holes. What these different holes are going to be for is going to be for different thread sizes and needle sizes. We're going to be able to go all the way from fine embroidery thread all the way to, you know, yarn, floss, things like that, that you're going to want to give it different texture look. Like if you wanted to do couching or you wanted to do something with a decorative look to it, you're going to have the option of changing your thread size. This machine is going to be a little bit different than a lot of machines that being a chain stitch machine. You don't have a bobbin you have to mess with. The thread threads through the bottom, and it has a hook on your needle, and it just picks the thread up and down, up and down, up and down. So you're not going to have to worry about, you know, anything but just the correct needle size, the correct hole, the correct thread. You're going to be able to do unlimited things with it as far as embroidery goes. Here at Ken Sewing Center, we offer a full line of accessories for this machine, from lighting to different needles, different attachments, different accessories. We offer the full line. We're an authorized dealer for Consew. We ship nationwide. We offer services as far as assembly. We can get this to you anywhere from coast to coast. We're here 6 days a week with 4 full-time mechanics that are available to help you, answer your questions. We have educators on staff all the time. We're just a phone call away. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you for choosing us to do business with.